outside. Pull back. Really ain't as much as you, this does. Is it? At least we are doing something now. You know what I mean? Jumping on fire on an early basis, you'll do it. They won't actually hit you in the eye so easy. And now, what we're going to do now is we're going to take them off and we're going to feed them through the pressing plate. There's a little gap. If you can see it coming. What you do actually is, if I bend the end up slightly on each one, when you're sending it through, my friend, if you just bend the end up just slightly, it'll go through ever so easy. And they got those eyes, it's got to go through the eye on the other end. Yeah. There's another one coming through in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. That's good. Well, I can turn.
Now, wrapping these wires, the technique is very, very important. Okay. It's really important. This is okay. When you're going to do this, okay. What you need to do, you can't just put it through there, but put it through there and pull it tight. And then what you do is, if you wrap this round now, when it goes up, it'll all slip apart. What you've got to do, you see that little hole? You've got to put it through the hole a second time, and that's what stops it untwisting. Very, very important. Okay, you must go through that hole twice. So just pull it away, and then just pull it away, and then down. You've got to get as tight as you can. And then these bits, when you go through twice, you can wrap the strap around. That's it. Yeah.
Like that. So, yeah.
And just be careful you don't get the wires in your eyes. So you must go through the loop twice, okay? And then you wrap it round and round. I don't know how tight this will be when it goes up, because I haven't pulled it as tight on this one as I have on that one. But in any case, now we will need a pallet, so we'll just put a pallet in front of it. One of these, any one of these pallets would be great. I don't know, have you got a forklift? Yeah. You must have.
Got a JC.
I don't know. Yeah. Just, you can see that. Otherwise,
close as you like, my friend. That's brilliant. Now, obviously you can see it's safe because you must have the door fully wide open. Yeah. It's actually got a little sensor on there, a limit switch. So if it's only half open, it won't work. So there's a limit open switch. So when you come over here, you see here there's two yellow buttons that say open. You've got to hold them both in together. Anybody? Hold them in until the bell comes in. Yeah, it's come off, hasn't it? There you go, that's it. And it'll drop itself back into place here, Jet. And that's your little bale made. Little? It's a good bale, that is. It's a cracking little bale. Good, but anyway, it's fine. You can tell how heavy that is, can't you? I mean, for a first one, I mean, I'm hoping it might be 500 or 480, 500.
Go on then, who's the truck
It'd be
driver?
really good if you know what you do.